cards, Brooke.
Guys, no. Let's not.
You want nuts to butt or?
You are losing control.
I'm not even counting it anymore.
Let's cut him off.
I, Ian Nicholas Desick, take you, Brooke Alexis Tukshire, to be my wife, my partner, and my best friend. I promise you my love, for better, for worse, in sickness and in health, and for the rest of our days together.
I, Brooke Alexis Tukshire, take you, Ian Nicholas Desick, to be my husband, my partner, and my best friend. I promise you my love, for better, for worse, in sickness and in health, for the rest of our days together.
As the years of your marriage go by, remember the love that brought you to this day. Trust your feelings and believe in your dreams. Look back on your wedding day from time to time to recall all the excitement and anticipation. And remember your family and friends who came here today to share in the joy of this happy occasion and to wish you both a lifetime full of laughter and love. May there always be peace in your home, happiness in your thoughts, and love in your hearts. Now, by the authority vested in me by the province of Manitoba, it really is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Ian, you can kiss your bride.
going to be a big sister. I never dreamt this day would come so soon. Here I am standing in front of all these people on your wedding day, and I can remember holding you in my arms for the very first time. I looked down at you and I told myself I would never let anybody hurt you. Today, you've sealed your love with a man that I only dreamed of you meeting one day. You look absolutely stunning tonight, and your smile warms this room like no other. Even though I'm your big sister, I look up to you in more ways than you'll ever know. Enjoy this day, Mose. As long as you've waited for this day to come, it will go by quick. Enjoy the night, the love, the laughs, the tears, all the dances. Embrace all of this, and most of all, embrace what's to come. I love you, Mose.
Known Ian my whole life, or 18 years.
When we lied on your passport.
I'd like to make a toast to Ian, who will be an amazing husband and friend to Brooke, and wish them many great years ahead. Toast to them.
Welcome you guys to the family. We love you all, and I think it's going to be a great family relationship, as it's been ever since we met y'all. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Toast to Ian and family. Welcome to the family. But it was good. Anyway, guys, it was just fantastic. Welcome to our family. You can come anytime and work with Cal. Thank you very much. Here's to Ian and Brooke.
Thanks for making the trip out. You have no idea how big this is to us. This place is a second home to us, and to have all you out here, it's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for coming out.
I'm sitting right here, this is asleep. Can you make it up here and set my mind at ease? I'm on top of the roof, you've been here before. I just miss you a lot, and I know that I got to let you know. Somebody said you are the last one of your kind. If somebody got to bleed, it would be me 1,000 times. I didn't know you wanted me for all these years. Let's just stay up here. Let's just stay up here. I found a perfect girl. She's from another world. She puts a smile on my face and takes me to outer space.